Hello everyone, this is Pam with Pam $7.47 and I'm coming at you today on Sunday, August the 6th to share with you my haul that I did at CVS. As you can see, I really didn't get much. I started off doing two separate transactions on two different cards. I do have them grouped as I did the transaction. However, it ended up turning into, I think, three separate transactions because I was having issues with the Colgate and the candy red box coupons that printed when you scanned your card at the red coupon box machine today. Those two coupons wouldn't go through, or there were issues with them, so she had a time at the register today. So in the end, everything ended up working out. But if you get the Colgate or the candy, you might have an issue with that. So I'm going to save those for last to explain what happened in my case. But I'm going to start over here with the Physicians Formula. I got two of the Glide On Gel eyeliners, and then I got one of this eye definer felt tip eye marker. So these two were $5.99. These were the cheapest items that I saw that were at my store, and then this one was $7.99. So the deal was if you buy two of them, you'll get $10 back in the ECB. So I had an $8 off of a $20 Redbox coupon for Physicians Formula products, so I applied that to this order. So the three were $19.97, and that $19.97 was close enough to the $20 for me to use that Redbox coupon. So after using that coupon, it brought it down to $11.97. That's what I paid out of pocket, but got $10 back. So it's a cost of $1.97 for the three, or 65 cents each, which is a wonderful price considering those started out at $5.99 and $7.99. So to get it for 65 cents, that was a wonderful deal there. And then I got the men's Gillette Mach 3 razors. The deal with these was if you buy two, you get $10 back. I used two of the $3 off of one coupons that was in the August P&G, as well as a $3 off of a $15 Redbox coupon that I had for a Venus razor. So the two were $17.98. Minus those coupons, it took $9 off. So I paid $8.98 out of pocket, but I got $10 back in the ECB. So they were free, plus $1.02 moneymaker. Then my problem came in. Now on this transaction, the candy coupon actually works. So when you scanned your card, you got a 75 cents off of one Hershey's candy bar. So these were 99 cents. And then after using that coupon, it took 75 cents off. So it's just a cost of 24 cents. So this ended up working out okay on this transaction, but not on my other one. And then for the Colgate, that would not scan at all. So she had to end up she was like adding things on, taking it off. Then it was canceling everything out. And then she had to scan it again and put it back in. And she did that like twice. And then finally she said, you know what, we're not going to do the Colgate with everything else. We'll just do that in a separate transaction. And then it ended up working. So I don't know what's going on with that one. But I'm going to show you my receipt for everything else. This is my receipt. These are all my coupons that I used. And I did use $21 in prior ECBs to pay for this. So I only had to pay 19 cents out of pocket, excluding the tax. And then I got $20 back. I got $10 for the Physicians Formula and $10 for the razor. So basically, when you look at it, it's probably like about $1 that I had to pay for all of this, which is wonderful, wonderful. Now, on my Colgate, like I said, she had to do that on a separate transaction because she couldn't get it to go through with this one. So here you can see $3. It was $3, and then I had a 50 cents off coupon that was in this week's Smart Source, and a $2.50 Redbox coupon that printed when I scanned my card. So that made that absolutely free. So I only had to pay the tax of 24 cents. Now, this is the transaction that I actually did first and had the most problems with the Colgate. And as you can see, I still have these coupons because the computer said that it didn't take it off. So she's like, you know what, I'm just going to give it back to you since it didn't take it off. But I ended up paying the full price for that candy bar. So I said, you know what? She's like, well, your subtotal is $0. I'm like, that's fine. I'm not going to cry about, paying an extra, 75 cents for the candy. So I just went ahead and just went with it. But I'll show you on, oh, I'll just explain. I don't even have this written down for the Maybelline. But the Maybelline deal was buy two and you get $5 back. So threes were $3.99 each. So I used $2 off of one coupons, and I can't remember which insert those were in, but check your database for that. So I ended up paying $6, but got $5 back in the ECB. So it was a cost of 98 cents for the both of them, or what, 49 cents each. So that wasn't bad with those. So the candy. So here, and the Colgate actually too. So with this one, you can see on my receipt here, the candy was 99 cents. Now with the Colgate, because she couldn't get that to scan, it only took off $1.97. So it reduced it down to $1.97. So what she did was she just overrode the price and just put the price in for 50 cents. So that way I could get it for free with my using my coupon. Since the Redbox coupon didn't take off the full $2.50, it only took off $1.97. So she reduced that one down to 50 cents. And so that's my Maybelline. So on this one, I didn't have to pay anything out of pocket. And I got the $5 back for the Maybelline. But on here, she looked at, she's like, I don't know what's happening with this. But she did mention that they updated their system, and it hadn't been working properly. So something's going on with their updated system where it's rejecting some of these Redbox coupons. But here you can see on here, it says that $2.50 off select Colgate was not used, and the 75 cents off a Hershey one was not used. So she just gave me those back. And, so I can potentially maybe try it again, because on this one, when she did do the Colgate by itself, it did go through without any problems. So I might go back and, do this again, somewhere else. Or I can go back to the same place. It don't matter. But I might try it again and see if I can get that again. So I don't know. So let me know if you guys are having problems too, or if it was just me, or, what's going on. Also, I noticed that I didn't get that many Redbox coupons that printed. So I have a card, my husband has a card, and my son has a card. So I scanned all of our cards, and only on two of the cards I got two ECBs two Redbox coupons that printed, and they were basically for the Colgate and the Reese's. And then on my other card, I did get like 13 Redbox coupons that printed on that one, but I thought that was a little strange that I only got two on those other two cards. And then on one of my cards, I did get my $5 beauty extra bucks, so I was glad to see that one print out. So this was basically it that I did at CVS so far. So I will go back probably another day this week. I'm trying to see if I can put something together with that Dial deal, where you spend, I think if you spend 25, you get back 10, something like that. But you can get like Dial body wash, the Dial foaming soaps. You can get deodorants in that deal, the Right Guard. So, and I did get some Redbox coupons last week for that. So I'm going to try to see what's the best scenario I can do to use those coupons, to get the most off and the less out of pocket. So I might come back with another video later in the week to share with you that haul. Okay, guys, so this was it for me. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will talk to you soon.